Hello everyone, today the world's prettiest spring roll series continue. This time we will have spring roll with beef and mustard green flowers. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you follow me, you will see on other episode of Pretty Spring Rolls. Today I have mustard greens. You can see on my blender there. They are very youngly green and yellow flowers, so beautiful. Now I will start with slicing the beef. When you have any cut of beef, if it's not tender, you do like I do, that I remove on the sinews on the top part, the tendons, and then after that I will slice against the grain very thinly. Here you see, I angle my knife and I have a very good size of slice. For one spring roll, you don't need so many slices. It could be 4 and it's adequate. So here you see, I add the oil into the hot pan and I put the garlic so that it's fragrant. And then I add the beef and I season it a little bit with salt and pepper. And I just saute 1 or 2 minutes each side. That's it. You don't want to cook too much, it will be tough. Now I dip my rice paper, and here my vegetables going. I have a lot of vegetables. I have mustard green, I have peppermint, sweet mint, cucumbers, Vietnamese coriander, morning glory, and fish mint. Whatever you have vegetables available, you can use here. And I add a few of cooked noodles. This noodle I just bought the package and I boil accordingly to the package instruction so that they tender. And that's it. I lay on my vegetables. Now I lay the beef and then now mustard green. It's about very versatile and freedom. When you do spring roll, you can put everything in that rice paper, just like the vessel for everything you put in. So if you follow my other videos, I have a lot of recipes that to form beautiful and flavorful spring rolls. Now when I roll to the almost to the end, I add the flour and I finish rolling. You can see it's so beautiful. Voila, I have the rolls. Now for your appetizer, you can do one lettuce, or for your meal, you can do a few. And it's very fulfilling. You have carb, that is rice paper, you have vegetables, you have meat, that's all you need for a meal. Now I cut up this roll to play on the other plate. And for this spring roll, I use a sweet and sour fish dipped in sauce and with some pickled carrot and daikon. If you want to see how I make the dipping sauce, you follow the link at the description box below. We from a family that we were famous with the dipping sauce. Now I just play on the plates, and that's it. I like to take the opportunity to say thank you for stopping by watching my videos. It means a lot to me. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. And that's it. You can see I like to taste it with me. So beautiful and flavorful and healthy at the same time. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.